प्यारे बच्चों नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सभी का। बच्चों एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट की सीरीज़ में आज ये हमारा पार्ट 11 है। इसके पहले मैं आपके साथ 100 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ। यदि आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो आप उन सभी वीडियोस को इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने लिंक दिया हुआ है, जाके देख सकते हैं। अभी शुरू करेंगे अपनी आज की वीडियो और आज हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, पर्सनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स टू बी सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर इंक्लूड्स ऑप्शन ए understanding environment, and option B creating management option C encourage open discussion, या फिर option D. Well, correct option for this question will be option D, that is to be a successful entrepreneur includes understanding environment, creating management options, and encourage open discussion. So all three qualities you should have if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. Now moving to the next question, this is entrepreneurship consists, which one is the correct option for this? Now first option for this is knowledge based behavior, or option B universal activity, or option C management is the vehicle of entrepreneurship, or option D all of the above. So the correct option for this question will be option D, that is all of the above. Entrepreneurship consists of knowledge based behavior, universal activity, and management is the vehicle of entrepreneurship. Now moving to the next question, which two work environments should be good for spawning the new enterprises? Your options are option A finance and marketing, option B finance and R&D मतलब research and development, option C marketing and R&D, and option D marketing and IT. Well, correct option for this question will be finance and R&D are the two works should be spawning the new enterprises. Now moving to the next question, a person who manages large project was termed as the entrepreneur in the. Our options are earliest period, middle ages, option C 17th century, or option D 19th and 20th century. Well, correct option for this question will be middle ages. A person who managed large project was termed as the entrepreneur in the middle age. So option B is the right answer for this question. Now moving to the next question. An entrepreneur always searches for changes, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. Who said? Look, there is a statement we have, like an entrepreneur always searches for changes, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. And we have three options. Now we have to tell who one of these three options said this statement. Well, your first option is MS Robert. Second option is Peter F. Drucker, or option C, CJ Wax. Well, correct option for this question will be Peter F. Drucker said, an entrepreneur always searches for changes, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. So option should be very clear. Now moving to the next question. Entrepreneurs are concerned about basic issues of. Now our options are option A sales, cost and benefit, or option B customer, sales and cost, or option C risk, cost and benefits, or option D none of the above. Well, the correct option for this question will be sales, cost and benefit. Entrepreneurs are concerned about the basic issues of sales, cost and benefit. So option A is the right answer for this question. Now moving to the next question we have. Which one of the following best represents the environment of an entrepreneurial oriented organization? Your options are option A, corporate culture, or option B, entrepreneurial culture, or option C, entrepreneurial culture. It's not enter, it's intrapreneurial culture. And option D, traditional culture. Well, the correct option for this question will be it's entrepreneurial culture. So, entrepreneurial culture best represents the environment of the entrepreneurial oriented organization. Okay. Now, moving to the next question. Which is the body of National Research and Development Corporation? Our options are option A, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, or option B, Indian Council of Agricultural and Research, or option C, National Medical Research Council, or option D, all of the above. Well, all of the above, that means all the three options we have, option A, B and C are the correct options. All these three options are the body of National Research and Development Corporations, that is Council of Scientific and Research, Industrial Research, sorry, and Indian Council of Agricultural Research and National Medical Research Council. All are the bodies of National Research and Development Corporation. So option D is the correct answer. Now moving to the next question. A horizontal merger. Now we have we have four options. Out of these four options, one option is correct and we have to tell which one is correct for a horizontal merger. Well, our first option is a horizontal merger is the combination of firms in successive stages of production, or a horizontal merger is the combination of firms that produces closely related projects in the same area, or option C is the combination of firms that produces same products and sell in different areas, or option D, none of the above. Well, the correct option for this question will be horizontal merger is the combination of firms that produces closely related projects in the same area. So correct option is option B for this question. Now moving to the next question. Which is the form of entrepreneurship development program? Your options are psychological form, option A, social form, option B, and economic form. This is your option C, or all of the above. Well, correct option for this question will be option D, that is all of the above. Now, psychological form, social form and economical form is the form of entrepreneurship development program. Well, आज की वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही। इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी कोई भी राय है या कोई भी सुझाव है, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। यदि आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आने वाली सभी वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही फ्रूटफुल होने वाली हैं। साथ ही नोट्स के लिए आप वेबसाइट विजिट कर सकते हैं, मैंने वेबसाइट का लिंक दिया हुआ है इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में। जल्दी ही आपसे मिलूंगा एक और नई वीडियो के साथ में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।